What is a bolt-action rifle? A bolt-action rifle is a type of firearm that operates by manually cycling the bolt mechanism to load, fire, and eject cartridges. It's one of the most common and oldest designs for rifles. The bolt mechanism is a handle located near the receiver, which can be manipulated by the shooter. The bolt action involves several steps. Loading. The shooter manually lifts the bolt handle, pulling it to the rear. This action opens the chamber and allows a cartridge to be inserted into the chamber from the top. Chambering. After inserting the cartridge, the bolt handle is pushed forward and down, which pushes the cartridge into the chamber and locks the bolt in place. Locking. The bolt handle is rotated down, and the bolt locks into the receiver, ensuring that the cartridge is securely in place. Firing. When the trigger is pulled, the firing pin strikes the primer of the cartridge, igniting the gunpowder and propelling the bullet out of the barrel. Unlocking and ejection. After firing, the shooter lifts the bolt handle again, which unlocks the bolt from the receiver. As the bolt is pulled to the rear, the spent cartridge casing is extracted from the chamber and ejected from the firearm. Cocking. As the bolt is pushed forward again, a fresh cartridge is lifted from the magazine, if the rifle has one, and chambered. The bolt is then rotated down and locked again, preparing the rifle for the next shot. Bolt-action rifles are known for their accuracy and reliability, as the simple design reduces the chances of malfunctions. They are commonly used for hunting, target shooting, and military applications. While they require more manual effort compared to semi-automatic or automatic rifles, they often have a reputation for precision and are favored by many shooters who value accuracy and control.